I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase eBay sales, easy method. Start by auditing your listings for titles, photos, and pricing right now. Improve keyword relevance, test different price points, and add fast shipping options to win more buyers. Offer bundled discounts and renew listings strategically to keep inventory visible. Stay customer-focused with quick replies and easy returns to build repeat business and better seller feedback. Improve your photos and titles to attract clicks and conversions. Use a clean background, consistent lighting, and 6 to 12 photos showing flaws and accessories. Write clear titles with primary keywords first and include brand or model names. Mention condition and key specs to reduce questions. Small listings, tweaks often lead to immediate increases in views and sales when combined with fair pricing and quick shipping. If you are finding this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe to support the channel and get more easy seller tips. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes cleaning effortless while you prep listings and ship orders. It saves time so you can list more items and scale sales. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Smart pricing and promotions will turn browsers into buyers faster. Start by testing price points in small increments and track conversion changes. Use promoted listings selectively for high-margin items to boost exposure. Run short coupons or timed discounts to create urgency and clear slow stock. Combine these tactics with free shipping thresholds or bundle deals to increase average order value while keeping customers happy with quick processing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.